What if you want to work abroad in 2026, but you don't have a university degree? Here's the good news. A degree isn't always the only path to an international career. Many countries need workers in construction, manufacturing, agriculture, hospitality, transportation, healthcare support, and skilled trades. The key isn't simply having a degree, it's having a skill that a country actually needs. So today, we're looking at 10 countries where workers without a university degree may find job and work visa opportunities in 2026. Let's start. Number 10 is Poland. Poland has become an important manufacturing and logistics hub in Europe. Foreign workers can find opportunities in areas such as manufacturing, warehouses, construction, food processing, agriculture, and transportation. For many entry-level and skilled jobs, practical experience can be more important than a university degree. If you're looking for a European destination with a growing industrial sector, Poland is worth researching. Number 9 is the Netherlands. The Netherlands is known for technology and highly skilled professionals, but there are also opportunities in logistics, agriculture, construction, manufacturing, and technical trades. The important point is that not every job requires a university degree. If you have a valuable trade or technical skill, your experience and qualifications can open doors. However, visa sponsorship depends heavily on the specific occupation and employer. Number 8 is the United Kingdom. The UK has a large international job market with opportunities across construction, healthcare, hospitality, logistics, and skilled occupations. Some jobs require formal qualifications, while others focus more heavily on experience and practical skills. However, don't assume that any job automatically qualifies for a work visa. The occupation, employer, and current immigration rules all matter. Number 7 is Japan. Japan is facing a serious labor shortage and continues to recruit foreign workers in several industries. Opportunities can include manufacturing, construction, agriculture, food service, caregiving, and other sectors under its foreign worker programs. For many of these jobs, a university degree isn't necessarily the main requirement. Instead, skills, experience, and sometimes Japanese language ability can be extremely important. If you're willing to learn Japanese and develop a useful skill, Japan could be an interesting option. Number 6 is South Korea. South Korea is one of the most interesting destinations for workers without university degrees. Through the employment permit system, eligible foreign workers can work in approved industries such as manufacturing, agriculture, construction, and fisheries. The E-9 system is specifically designed to bring eligible foreign workers into sectors experiencing labor shortages. But remember, you cannot simply pay an agent and get an E-9 visa. You must meet the requirements and follow the official recruitment process. Number 5 is New Zealand. New Zealand has continued to attract workers in skilled trades, construction, agriculture, hospitality, and technical occupations. For some jobs, practical experience and industry qualifications can be more important than having a university degree. The country can also offer pathways for certain skilled workers, depending on their occupation and visa category. But New Zealand has a relatively high cost of living, so always compare your expected salary with your actual expenses. Number 4 is the United Arab Emirates. The UAE is one of the biggest destinations for foreign workers, and many jobs don't require a university degree. Construction workers, drivers, technicians, electricians, mechanics, hospitality workers, and other skilled employees can find opportunities depending on the employer. Another major attraction is that employment income is generally not subject to personal income tax. but the cost of living can be high, especially in Dubai. So before accepting an offer, look at the complete package: salary, accommodation, transportation, insurance, and other benefits. Number 3 is Canada. Canada is well known for immigration, and you don't necessarily need a university degree to have opportunities. The country has demand in areas such as skilled trades, transportation, construction, agriculture, food processing, and other occupations. Some provincial and regional programs can also target workers needed in specific communities. However, Canada has a points-based and occupation-focused immigration system, so your experience, language ability, occupation, and other factors can affect your options. Number 2 is Australia. Australia has strong demand for skilled trades and practical occupations. Electricians, plumbers, welders, mechanics, construction workers, technicians, and other tradespeople can find opportunities depending on their qualifications and the applicable visa pathway. Australia also offers strong salaries, but remember that housing and living costs can be high, so don't look only at the salary, calculate your potential savings. And now, number 1, Germany. Germany has a major shortage of workers in areas including construction, manufacturing, logistics, skilled trades, healthcare, and technical professions. And here's why Germany is particularly interesting. Germany has multiple routes for qualified workers, and some pathways place more emphasis on recognized vocational qualifications and practical skills rather than a traditional university degree. The Opportunity Card can also be an option for eligible applicants to enter Germany and search for employment under the applicable conditions. So if you're an electrician, mechanic, technician, welder, construction worker, or other skilled professional, Germany could be a country worth researching in 2026. But remember, no degree doesn't mean no requirements. You may still need recognized qualifications, work experience, language skills, and other documentation depending on the occupation and visa route. Now, tell us in the comments, what is your job or skill? How many years of experience do you have? And which country would you like to work in? Your answer could help us make our next video the best country for your job in 2026. If you found this video useful, like the video, subscribe to the World Guide, and turn on notifications for more videos about jobs abroad, work visas, salaries, and immigration opportunities in 2026. Because you don't need a degree to have a future abroad. You need a skill that the world needs. This is the World Guide, your gateway to the world.